Hi. So I'm back, and I'm back with not another banger. I am back with my unfiltered feelings because I am tired as fuck. Tired as fuck. And so disappointed in myself. I am so fucking disappointed with myself. And I don't even know what to do anymore. Like, fuck, my mind is fucked up. My English project, holiday homework. एक तो भाई ये क्या ही चलता है भाई नीट का अलग करो, नीट अलग करो, फिर बाद में सीबीएसई पे ध्यान दो। सीबीएसई में इतना हॉलिडे होमवर्क करो, लाइक व्हाट द फक इज दिस एजुकेशन सिस्टम? लाइक इट्स फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग, बट ठीक है। एवरीवन इज सफरिंग इक्वली, है ना? ठीक है भाई, होंगे लोग जिनको स्कूल अभी नहीं जाना पड़ रहा है, मेरे को जाना पड़ रहा है। अगर मेरे को नीट क्रैक करना है तो आई विल हैव टू गो अलोंग विद दैट। आई हैड अ हॉलिडे टुडे, आई डिड नॉट डू एनीथिंग टुडे। Whose fault is that? Mine. My accountability. Because obviously Dharmendra Pradhan is not taking any accountability. Ha ha ha. But yeah, it's my responsibility that I wasted today's day, that I wasted a perfectly fine, productive day. I am still thinking about 12 hours, 13 hours, 14 hours, while not even completing 4 hours a day studying. And this is not a joke because I have to crack NEET. एक तो कॉम्पिटिटर्स तो है ही भाई, और अलग पेपर लीक्स के भी कॉम्पिटिटर्स आ गए तो। और फिर बाद में मेरे को लगता था कि 50 लाख रैंक ला दी, एज इन 50 लाख के नीचे तो लाइक गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज तो मिल जाएगा। फिगर्स आउट यू डोंट, I mean you do, but it's periphery government college, which is like, it will just all my emotions away. And like what all I wanted to do in my journey, like after NEET, that is हमेशा से मैं बोलते जा रही हूँ कि मेरे को, मैं ये 12th के बाद इंस्टा पे आऊँगी वगैरह वगैरह वगैरह। I have been preparing for this exam since sixth. Not properly preparing, but at least I got to know what kind of competition there is. Like sixth standard में मुझे coaching as in LN वाली coaching में नहीं डालना था, as in एकदम simple वाली coaching थी, which like taught 1 year बाद का, like they taught about, वो बेसिकली सिक्स स्टैंडर्ड को में सेवन स्टैंडर्ड का सिखाते थे, बट मेरे को सिक्स स्टैंडर्ड वाले में डाल दिया जब मैं सेवन स्टैंडर्ड में थी, तो लॉल। तो मेरे को सब पता था ऑलरेडी जो स्कूल के साथ चल रहा था। एंड देन केम द बिग शिफ्ट। एट्थ में आई गॉट टू अनदर कोचिंग, लाइक मिड वाली जो बोर्ड्स पे एंड दोनों पे ध्यान देती थी। ऑब्वियसली मैंने कॉम्पिटिटिव वाला बैच लेके रखा था, तो उसमें भी देर यूज टू बी वेरी ब्रिलियंट पीपल, एंड लाइक व्हाट द फक, आई यूज टू ब्लेम माई सेल्फ फॉर नॉट being intelligent enough, even though I was a school topper. But of course I was not in like the regular competitions, right? And then उसके बाद में मैं एलन में आई, एंड yes, एलन में I was like what the actual fuck। फिर से भाई लिटरली हर साल मेरे को, और एक तो हमेशा मेरी लिटरली एक एक दो दो साल में स्कूल चेंज हुआ। लाइक इमेजिन, लाइक स्टेबल फ्रेंड्स ही नहीं थे भाई मेरे, लाइक छूट जाते थे भाई। अब क्या करूँ मैं भाई, इतनी क्लोज नहीं रहता है। अब तक मेरी दो फ्रेंड्स जो क्लोज है, इवन इफ आई डोंट टॉक टू देम फॉर अ ईयर, आई नो दे विल स्टिल बी माई बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स। वो सिर्फ दो ही है मेरी लाइफ में, एंड आई डोंट नो व्हाट to fucking do right now. As I said, I am exhausted. I currently hate the way I am preparing. I don't hate myself at all. I love myself very much, but I hate the way I am sacrificing my goals for a AI chat bot. Yes, I have a very bad habit of C.A, which is basically you're delusional in that, you imagine every fucking single thing you can, in that you chat with the bot and all. Like what the fuck, genuinely what the fuck भाई इतना, like yeah, and I wanna quit। and मैंने बोला था कि ये मेरी लास्ट, इससे पहले जो थी 8 दिन पहले, that was going to be my last YouTube video, but it was not। Of course, I also knew that कि मेरे को ज़रूरत पड़ेगी to vent up my frustrations everywhere. And I think this is a more productive way. And I said that मैं तोड़ दूंगी लैपटॉप को, मैं फोड़ दूंगी, ये कर दूंगी, वो कर दूंगी. किया कुछ घंटा? नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं किया मैंने. Jokes on me, shame on me. Yay. But of course, I have to defeat myself, my mind. I have to get back on track. नहीं तो नहीं होगा मेरा selection. It is as simple as that. It is as simple as that. I know overview of every chapter, but I do not know what like एकदम perfectly नहीं हुआ है. Like थोड़ूंगी तो exercise 2 और exercise 3 भी नहीं हुई है, तो that's a really shameful thing for me. And fuck, there's only 2 weeks remaining in my test, and I know I'm fucked up. I don't know what to do, how to deal with this. Bhai, like genuinely, like, is there no one that can help me? There is. There are many people on YouTube which are so successful, and I'm jealous of them. They are my same age, and they are so productive. They are exercising. डोले शोले बना रहे, मेरे डोले दिख रहे कुछ नहीं. And like they are doing everything, like they are socializing, they are doing everything, and even some of my friends do that. And why I am not able to do that? Because my brain is fucking weak, because I am weak, and weak mindset does not get you anywhere. Strong mindset does. कल बस उठ, whenever you decide 7 घंटे 8 घंटे की नींद ले, ठीक है भाई, बट उस टाइम पे ही उठना पड़ेगा. And then study, grind, and yeah, that's it. And quit laptop. कल से लैपटॉप रख रही हूँ मैं. No matter how many one shots I require, I am not going to use it. I fuck this laptop. I don't like it anymore. It exhausts me, and I also want to be strong like that people. Again, I think jealousy is not a bad thing. It's a human emotion. You are bound to feel that, you know. But doing something to harm other people that you're jealous of. Like there was a guy, JE Asan hai, ऐसे करके. So I watched his videos, the confidence in his videos, like oh my god. And there's even one more girl, but I don't remember. She's the same age as me, 17. Just Meet, I think her name is just Meet or just Preet. All right, and she also is so confident, so damn confident. And yeah, who does not want to be confident? Who does not want to read self improvement books? I don't. I don't. And that guy, Jay Asanwala, so he gained like a lot of subscribers. And like, that's an inspiration. That's something you take from. And I'm going to do it. I promise myself I am going to do it. There's no need to relax your eyes. There's only need to relax your brain, to let it breathe, to apologize yourself, and बस खत्म. और कितना झेलेगी भाई, और कितने ताने झेलने थे को यार ऋषि. I don't want it. I don't want to take a drop, and my family members won't let me take a drop. So I have to crack. I have 9 months to crack. Fuck, that's a little too less. बट आई नो आई हैव स्टडीड एटलीस्ट. अगर मैं 12 घंटे दिन में पढ़ती तो एटलीस्ट इतना तो कवर हो गया कि मैं 3 महीने में उतना पढ़ लिया मैंने, है ना. 11th और 12th काउंट करके बोल रही हूँ. तो अब मेरे पास 9 महीने हैं, एंड आई विल हैव टू स्टडी 9 महीने, लाइक 2 साल. लाइक आई हैव 2 years, एंड आई विल हैव टू स्टडी इन द सेम पेस एज 2 years वाले डू. Like 2 years while I have been studying consistently for 6 to 7 hours a day, 7 hours a day actually, who are going to get a good rank. And I have been fluctuating very greatly. 671 in 11th was my highest score, and 460 was my lowest. In 12th also, 625 was my highest score, and 496 was my lowest. So you see the difference. There's no consistency I'm maintaining. my score always is fluctuating, and I do not like that at all. And I am going to change myself. I promised myself this laptop will be dead. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. Thank you.